Hey, Nolasco here, back in the Nike factory store. Let's see what we could find. And they got 20% off on the clothings. Ooh, could see something. What? Well, they got here sitting LeBron Tune Squad sitting here in the Nike factory store on retail though. So maybe pass. And this one's nice color of this kind of LeBron. What do you think? Would you cop them for retail? Okay, we got some heat down here. We got the Blazer Sakai Low retail. This one is 120, but it's not worth reselling. On the running shoes, we got $69.99 of this Epic React Flyknit 2, and another one running shoes $74.97. I like this colorway better. What do you think? But this one is the PG4. Last sale is 55 and the retail on this one 10. Got $49.97. We'll pass. Well, this shoe caught my attention with that vibrant colorway with the air zoom in the midsole. We got here the KD14, $129.97. And how about this one? We got the Air Force One Low, like a shadow. Last sale is $84, and you can have them in the Nike factory store for $119.97. Man, this is kind of hard. Another one caught my attention on this colorway of the box. Man, that one is really amazing colorway on the box. And this one is the Metcon new generation, or the new release of Metcon. So what do you think on those color with that metallic? It's kind of gold-ish. Man, what do you think? $119. Running shoes, we got the Zoom Mix Profile Next Percent 2, $149.97. It is, wow, it is very light. Nice running shoes. Well, how about this one? We got $79.97, the Air Max 270 React, and the last sale is $55 on StockX, and you can buy them for $79.97. It's not worth reselling. There's nothing good on the women's section. Checking out the kids. So we got here on the kids, we got some Ledrom, $69.99, and this LeBron. Retail on this one is $160. Good for personal though. Alright, moving on to clothing, we got 20% off additional discount. We got here the hoodie $29.97 with the 20%. Retail is $120. Man, that's a good discount. Still on the men's section, we got some clothing here. T-shirt with Nike shoes, and they are on $9.97 with the additional 20% off. Not bad for that deal. Same clothing, we got more hoodies with a jacket here. Nice one with the Nike Air branding on the pocket. Retail $135, reselling for $67. How about this one? Nice one as well. Alright, how much? $160 retail, $69.97 with additional 20. Alright, so we're done here dito sa Nike factory store. Ayun, zero tayo. Wala na naman tayo nakuha. Wala masyadong pwedeng mabili. Nothing something to buy or to flip, so we're moving on. Alright, unboxing. So, ito yung nakakuha tayo ng dalawang pair during the exclusive offer or restock, something like that. That happens on Sneakers app. I was kind of wanted the other sneaker because those are more hype or high resale value, but then this is the only pair that we caught on the restock. So, tara, buksan na natin. Okay, brown box. Brown box siya na Jordan box. Ayun. Size 12 and a half. Hindi ko size yan ha. Yan, pambenta natin yan. So, ito nga pala, restock ng Jordan 5 red and black. So, ito yung Raging Bull. Ayun, diba? Pinalad pa rin tayo makakuha ng ganitong shoe kahit na medyo mahirap makakuha nun kasi nga yung mga high resale value na Jordan 1 ubos, hindi tayo nakakuha. Ito yung pwede natin makuha, then why not, diba? Uy, Jordan box. Okay, we got the Jordan box. So what do we got here? Okay. Buti na lang. Size ko. 10 and a half. Got my size. 10 and a half. Hindi ko lang sure to. Alam ko na. Ito yung tinatawag nga pala nilang patina. Yun. Yun na naman yung mga gusto nating amoy ng fresh shoe. Man. Ayun. Okay. So, masama yung kulay. Okay lang. So, yung quality ng leather, yung typical lang. Tapos may pagka-suede yata to. Not really sure. Pero, okay naman siya. So, buti na lang nakakuha pa rin tayo. Size ko pa rin. Pwede kong i-keep. Pwede kong i-resell. At least, we got 2 pairs on the restock and a kind of exclusive offer. Or reserve. I think reserve. Reserve offer. Probably. Yun yata yun eh. Nakalimutan ko. Pero, nandun yung mga Hyper Royals na Jordan 1s. Ano pa. Marami eh. Nakalimutan ko yung iba. So, sa dami-dami nung na dapat i-reserve noon. Ay. Ito lang yung natin. Nakuha natin. Kahit paano. Masyadong amoy ito. But hey. So, okay. Ito siguro kikimpa natin ng mga more than almost a year kasi nga yung resale value nito medyo tagilid pa naman. So, okay lang yan. Tataas ang value ng Jordan naman yan eh. So, ito tignan natin kung mabibili sa return of investment that I want. I might gonna let it go, but if not, I'm gonna keep it. It's kind of simple. Is that kind of metallic gold or metallic bronze? I think parang metallic bronze, and then the neutral colorway of kind of grayish suede on the back. Then with kind of eye-popping color of lace, kind of greenish. So okay naman siya. So yun, diba? So anyone caught up on the restock or reserve on Nike Sneakers app, I hope you did and you got your own pair for personal. So yun. Ayan. Tagal na natin hindi nakapanalo. So yun. Kahit paano, medyo nakakuha na tayo mga 2 buwan na yata. Hindi tayo nananalo sa sneakers app. Lucky at grateful pa rin naman tayo kahit na hindi to yung mga talagang gusto nating makuha na pang personal. Nananalo pa rin tayo. So why not, right? So why not? So that's it for today's unboxing. Did you like it? If you like it, see you on the next one. Bye-bye.